Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my new video. This is the third video of home tab learning. So we will start from this one from general. This is if we see general, what is the purpose of this field or this option? If we just take mouse cursor there, it will show that number format. Choose the format for your cells such as percentage, currency, date or time. If I just click the drop down list, it shows the general option, number format, currency, accounting, short date, long date, time, percentage, fraction, scientific, text, so on. So if you just want to use this one, you have to first make it sure that under which field you want to put which data. Like this serial number is numeric, and this name of the customer is text. Then phone number will be different format, numeric with the other option. Address will be text, and customer, since this will be date. So let's use this option. Then there is sales amount. So let's see, I will just select this amount and I want to make it into number format, so it will show as number format. If I just want to uh, show as a currency, you can select the currency, whichever currency you can select here. From here, accounting number or format, you see format as dollars, euros or other currency. If I just select the drop down list, it's showing as AED, English dirham, UAE, English dollars, English UK pound, euro. You will see that currency will appear over there. If you want to see more, you can have more options from here. There are more currencies from the more countries. So this option is used for the currencies, and you can see here when we selected currencies, this accounting option is selected. Okay, let's see. We want to put the customer since what date. Now you see, if we selected here, we have to select here date. We want to use short date or we want to use the long date. If we want to use the long date, it will show which day and complete day, month and year also. Okay, so it will work like this. Let's see, we will select the short date, it will show like this. And also if we want to put here address, then we will see like we will just use a sample address, or we can just select the city names. And so on. For the address, you can put the house number, building name, city, country, so on. For here phone number, if I write, see here when I start writing phone number, 0 is not showing here. Then you can just start it like you can put the country code, then you can just start. Now you can see when I put this cell option is general, so that's why it's not showing the phone number. So if I just select number, still it goes to number. So means if I select here text, it gives another option. So what can I do? I can give some space from the start, then whatever I will write in the text option, it will show as it is. So for the phone number option, it's better for you to use the text option, so that the zeros and any other it can show over there. Currency and other options is already you have seen. Now this option, percentage option, is format as a percent. Like if you want to use this option, it will show as a percentage. Like if I write here 150, when I will just select here percentage, it will go to percentage option. Whatever you will write there, it will show as percentage. This comma style format with a thousand separator. If you will use this comma style, it will show as a thousand. After every thousand there will be used, like here is 1000, after one it comma is used. This option increase decimal means shows more decimal places for a more precise value. If you see, if you click this one, it will show more decimals up to 1 2 3 4, as much as you like. It will increase the decimals. If you see the other right direction key with this decimal option, decrease decimal, it is called show fewer decimal places. If I want to decrease the decimal places, I will use this option. So it worked like this. So this is the number tab. If we just see here number format, don't see what you are looking for. If you do not find your option from here, you can go this option. It will show you more options under the journal option. Under the number option, you can see you want to show the negative value as you like, and you can select the decimal places. Also the currency you want to display with the symbol and how many decimal places you want to show. Then accounting, which symbol you want to show with the accounting. Date, there are numerous type of date, and there is a location and various types you can use as per your requirement. Under the time, you can see you can use time formats, percentage, how many decimal places, and this you can use fractions up to what digits you want to use. And then scientific, text format cells are treated as text even when a number is in the cell, like we wrote the phone number, but it will be treated as text. Then there are special options that we will also use later to check this one. Then there is custom options, all already available there, which you can use according to your requirements. After that, there is option alignment, center, general, left, center, right, fill, justify. These options you can use also, and we will later we will see if we, as per our requirement, how to use these options horizontally, vertically, or indent, up to what indent you want to move or show this option. Then there is wrap text, there is wrap text, merge cells, so on. There is font option, more detailed option, borders, fill, which color you want to fill, and this protection, lock, and hidden. This we will also study, or we will just learn in our coming videos. So friends, that's it for now. We'll see you in next video. Thank you so much.